Hi, Sky.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine. Would you like to join me on a hunt?
Sure.
On a spring hunt.
Nice.
So, first thing on the list is a bird. Right now, I just spotted one, but it flew all the way there, so it's behind the tree, so we can't see it
Let's
now.
go see if we can catch it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Here.
Want me to hold this for you?
Yeah, please.
Let's go. Sky, 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 come check this. I found a bird. And he doesn't run away.
Yeah, I don't see any.
You don't see the red bird?
Oh,
Yeah.
that's
Yeah. It is a bird,
well, it's big.
but it's a bird. See? He's trying to catch the worm. Wait, wait, wait. He took it.
Really, he did it?
Yeah, he ate it.
Oh, how so fast? You don't even swallow.
What did you find there?
It scared me.
Where is it?
Right here. I'm gonna try to talk to you.
Don't try not to kill it.
Yeah, once I almost killed one, I talked about it. I think I'm gonna
It's
be.
beautiful.
I think I'm gonna
You know
be.
this kind of butterflies is in danger.
Really? Why?
What did you find?
A lily pond. I'll show you. Ah! It won't get on my hand. I can't show you with it. Not on my hand. 1 sec. Just let it get on my hand. Just let it get on my hand. I'm gonna carry it. Ah! It's impossible because it's moving so much. Why is it moving so much? Did you see that? Do you see that black?
Want to go on your hand.
But it has to. It's opening, it's opening.
Oh, your hands are so dirty.
Check this. Come
What do
on,
you got?
come on, come on. Here, I got 5 different leaves that I got by myself.
Show
Here's
me.
1
1,
and 2. Oh, this second one. 2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
and 5.
and
And I'm
5.
gonna use one to get this. Oh,
What is
it has
this?
something shaped like a bug. It's a firebug.
That's a
It has
firebug.
something shaped like a bug. I mean a heart.
What is it holding?
Hi guys, I thought I went too far, so I decided to come back. I'm going back all the way to where I was. When I was riding, it's like a motorcycle driver.
What are you doing, Sky?
Oh, I'm looking for clouds.
Where are the
I
clouds?
see plenty. One, a
Mm.
big one right there.
Okay. Found sand?
Yeah,
But it's a
found-
sandbox.
Yeah.
We need beach sand.
Well, this is beach sand. It does smell like beach sand. Do you want to smell?
No, thank you.
Yes, you have
Thank
to.
you.
It's delicious.
Found your flower?
Yeah, I chose this purple flower because it has my favorite color. It smells delicious. Here, smell.
Thank you. Oof. found some mushroom.
Hey guys, do you know if this mushroom is poisonous? Because I want to touch it, but
I don't think it's poisonous.
Yeah, it looks poisonous.
It's not poisonous.
Yeah, some people say if you eat mushrooms that are poisonous, you might react weird.
Yeah,
and
but
start
not these
biting.
ones. These ones are not poisonous.
Okay,
Ooh.
I'll try taking a small one. How do you know?
It broke.
You don't.
Found a squirrel.
Yeah, it's a cute.
Hi, squirrel. Is it a girl or a boy?
Yeah, it's a girl. It's a girl. Yeah,
a girl.
boys are really blackish. This
Yes.
one is brownish. It's a girl.
إذا بتقولي له فوكس بيركز فيك. فوكس ماكس. فوكس.